Namaskar, I am Dan Gowde, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I will discuss the theory of modules. What is meant by modules? In modules, we study the definition and examples of modules, submodules, homomorphism, fundamental theorem of homomorphism and its applications. Modules, nothing but it is a group. It is a group, and a group is abelian group. And some properties, some conditions satisfy a module. Now see your definitions. As like group satisfy definitions, as like ring satisfy definitions. In this way, similarly, modules, definition of modules. Let R be a ring and let M plus is an abelian group. Let order pair Rm to Rm be a mapping of R multiply M into M such that R M1 plus M2 is equal to Rm1 plus Rm2. R1 plus R2M is equal to R1M plus R2M. R1 R2M is equal to R1 R2M. 1 into M is equal to M if 1 belongs to R. For all M, M1, M2 belongs to M and R, R1, R2 belongs to R, then M is called a left R module. Then M is called a left R module because R multiply M1 plus M2, R multiply from M1 and so on. It is note that Rm is called the scalar multiplication or just multiplication of M by R on the left. Right R module can also be defined similarly. If R is a commutative ring, every left module will be a right module or vice versa. In a commutative ring R, we will not distinguish between left and right R modules, and we simplify, call them R module. If R is a field, then R module is called vector space. Examples given. Any ring R can be regarded as a left R module. Define the scalar multiplication Rm for Rm belongs to R as usual multiplication in R. Any additive abelian groups G is a left abelian module. For an abelian group G plus, define Na is equal to A plus dot plus A n times. 0 into A is equal to 0 and minus A n into A is equal to minus A plus dot plus minus A n times. Thus, then G is a L module. Next one example. Let G plus be an abelian group. R is equal to F such that F from G to G is a group homomorphism. R plus dot is a ring where F plus G and F dot G are defined by F plus G of x is equal to F of x plus G of x, and F dot G of x is equal to F of G of x. G is a left R module where the scalar product Fx is defined by Fx is equal to F of x. Let R of x denotes a polynomial ring over the ring R is an intermediate x. Then R of x is a left R modules under the scalar multiplication defined by R into f of x equal to R into a naught plus a1x plus dot dot plus a1x raised to n is equal to R a naught plus R a1x plus dot 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 plus R a n x raised to n for R belongs to R and f of x belongs to R of x, where f of x equal to a naught plus a1x plus dot 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 plus a n x raised to n. Let R be a ring and let L be a left ideal in R. Then I plus is an abelian group, and for any R belongs to R and A belongs to A, or A belongs to I, and this scalar multiplication RA to RA from R cross A I to I satisfies all the conditions stated in the definition. Hence, I is the left R module. Next properties of modules. Let M be any R modules, right modules. Then 0 multiply M is equal to 0 for all M belongs to M. R multiply 0 is equal to 0 for all R belongs to R. Minus R multiply M is equal to minus RM is equal to R multiply minus M for all R belongs to. Now see your definitions. R multiply M is equal to R plus 0 multiply M for all R belongs to R, M belongs to M. Hence, Rm plus 0 is equal to Rm plus 0 M. This shows that 0 M is equal to 0 for all M belongs to M. Because Rm is equal to R into M plus 0 is equal to Rm plus R into 0 stated in the definitions. But then R into 0 is equal to 0. Now 0 is equal to 0 into M is equal to R plus minus Rm is equal to Rm plus minus Rm. Hence, minus Rm is equal to minus R multiply M. Also, 0 is equal to R into 0 is equal to R into M plus minus M. Rm plus R into minus M. Hence, minus Rm is equal to R into minus M. From 1 and 2, minus Rm is equal to minus of Rm is equal to R into minus M for all R belongs to R and M belongs to M. This is property of modules. Properties of modules.